There's fireworks and gorilla tag. Oh my god. What the? Where'd they go? I need to go to top of stump. We need this every update. But okay. I'll just go this way, I guess. Look, fireworks. Is that a diving board? Wait, what the? I just saw like a million. Get away. Get off. Guys, where'd that come from? Ow. Guys, where'd that firework? Is there more fireworks? Wait, rocket? Is the rocket gone? No. Dang it. I swear. Wait, where is it? Monkey Blocks is different. I swear Monkey Blocks is different. Because on the sign it says, oh, it means lost. Okay. Maybe they just add that and I didn't know. But wait, was there new cosmetics? Okay, am I just tripping, or did they just add new cosmetics? And those fireworks? Am I tripping? Wait. Okay, I think that's part of the... Wait, can I glitch into there? Oh, dang it, you can't. What just changed? I know, I was just, and then I saw fireworks coming out of stump, and I was like, what the heck? So, I don't know what just happened. But like, I was just there, and then I started seeing fireworks come out of stump, and I was like, who destroyed my code? Who's hacking into my code? And so I was like, oh my god, I'm so scared, dude. So that was kind of, I didn't get it all on recording. I was like playing over here when it happened, and then I just saw fireworks coming out of stump. I was like, whoa, what just happened? So then I went over to stump. I went over here, the fireworks stopped. I went over here, and the fireworks were back. So I tried to start recording again. I started recording, and then they were just on the screen. I think Lemming just updated the game, or is it just me? I'm not sure, but kind of feel like it's just me. But did I like miss an update or something, and that's just happening for me today? Because I wasn't on yesterday, seeing that happen. What did I just do? Okay, whatever. But I was like, I don't know what happened to me. I was just like, what the heck? And I don't know what happened, so I was like, why is this happening? I was playing for a couple minutes before that too, so I didn't think it was gonna happen when I started playing. But I guess it did. What did I just do? But yeah, I have no idea what just happened. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace.